On the sample loop, right click, and you go on convert to new sample tracks. It's in the menu over here on convert, because if you don't, Logic just recognize the latest moves you just done when you press a right click on a loop, and it gives you it's like a shortcut. Don't go through the full menu all the time. So if you go on convert and you just press convert to new sample track, it opens up a small menu. And if you want to import the full sample as it is in the piano, like for example, you have a one shot and you have a one shot percussion and you want to import that, you have to do it in regions. Like the sample for Logic, this is a full region. But in this case, because I have a lot of sounds in the sample, I want Logic to slice it up in transient markers. This means in transient markers means that it goes through the wave, and on every transient marker he will do a chop, basically. So just go on OK, and it opens up the EXS24, and it goes inside the piano, and all separate. It's all separate sounds. It will become, it's totally different without the sidechain. If I remove the compressor, it's all flat. But when I put the sidechain back on, you will hear it immediately, like bouncing where is the kick. And again, it fills the percussion will fill the gap in between the kicks all the time. And by using these kind of techniques, you are basically allowing a few sounds to leave more space. Not just, sometimes I have this rule in my head that less is more. A very useful trick, actually. Just apply an EQ on the kick and see the frequency. You just put them one up on each other. You see the frequency of the kick and the frequency of the bass. And if you see the same frequency clashing, okay, it's good to apply a sidechain in the bass to the kick. So the kick will have space and the frequency on its own, but you will decrease a bit with a negative EQ. In this case, this is a negative EQ. We're not going to boost any sounds, any frequencies with this EQ. You just use it as a negative EQ and just put down some frequencies that are clashing with the kick. In this case, we have this range here, which is the 55 to 75 to 80 hertz. There's the kick in there that's quite prominent. And it's very important that we always have to decide which is the most important. Do I need the bass line to be in the forefront, or do I need the kick to be more prominent in the arrangement?
Hi, this is Roger Sanchez.
Hi, this is Lenny Fontana.
Hey guys, this is Jackie.
Hi guys, Amber D here.
Hi, I'm Paul Maddox.
This is Satek.
Hi, this is Kyle V, and you're watching
Mixmasters TV,
where you can access world-class producers in your studio
Every single day.
Mixmasters.